Hi traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel, where we bring you the best tips and tools to level up your Forex trading. So in this video, we are going to be looking at a technique that every trader should know, all right? Well, Fibonacci is a very popular trading technique, or will I say a popular trading tool, and it can really be a great addition to your trading strategy. Okay, in this particular video we are looking specifically at the Fibonacci fans. All right, so if you are ready to enhance your trading strategy, then stick around. So what exactly are Fibonacci fans? Well, these are trend lines based on Fibonacci retracement levels, but instead of traditional horizontal lines, they create angled lines that fan out from a central point on the chart. Okay, this is how it looks like. All right, you can see this is what we call the Fibonacci fans. You can use these fans to forecast potential levels of support, resistance, and price movement. Okay, they are especially helpful for spotting trends and identifying where price might pause or reverse. So let's break down how Fibonacci fans are actually used. First, let's start with some basics. Okay, Fibonacci fans are built using a set of Fibonacci ratios, typically 38.2%, 50%, and 61.8%, as we can see here. All right, so to draw a Fibonacci fan, you pick a major high or low. So in this case, we picked a major low, right? This is a major low, you can see. And from that point, the fan line spread out, creating dynamic trend lines. So we can see how we had dynamic trend lines spreading out from this particular low. All right, to draw Fibonacci fans, choose a high or low. That is the first thing to do. Okay, so assuming we have a bullish trend, then you might want to select the low, one of the lows in that bullish trend. Okay, so from this point, the fans will follow the angles of Fibonacci retracement levels. So as price moves, you'll have a visual cue of potential support and resistance levels. So we can see that in as much as this first swing crossed the 61.8% level, the second swing actually got rejected around the 61.8% level, as we can see. Now, these points on the fan are not magic numbers, okay, but they are based on the natural rhythm found in Fibonacci sequences. Traders use these levels because they often reflect real psychological barriers in the market. Now, why do these levels matter? Well, each fan line represents a potential support or resistance level. As we can see, you can see that even at this point, there was a rejection, right? It served as a support. This 38.2% served as a rejection point. You see, the price got rejected around that zone. All right. Now, here's a pro tip. Try using Fibonacci fans with other indicators like moving averages or RSI. So let me just add the moving average to the chart. Okay, all right, and then let me also add the RSI to the chart as well. Okay, for example, if you see price approaching a Fibonacci fan, right? If you see price approaching a Fibonacci fan while the RSI shows overbought conditions, it could be an additional confirmation that the price might reverse or slow down. But in the situation whereby perhaps you see price, just like what happened here, price is getting rejected around one of the Fibonacci fans, and at the same time price is trading above the moving average, we can see something like what happened here. And then at the same time, the RSI is pointing upwards, not yet inside the overbought zone, then it can be a confirmation for a buy. Okay, so we can see that this would have been a great opportunity to enter a buy trade, and then your take profits will be ideal at the nearest resistance level. Okay, then your stop loss can just be below the nearest support level or below that swing low. Okay, so we would have considered taking our stop loss here and take profit here, and we would have gotten about 146 pips. Okay, so that's a good catch. All right, this technique can help you anticipate market behavior and plan your entries and exits more effectively. And the best part, you can practice this on demo accounts to see how it works without any real risk. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you are the first to catch our latest trading tips and tutorials. Okay, thanks for watching and good luck with your trading journey. Let's keep mastering those markets together. See you in the next video.